Brian Sensei here. Do you ever find yourself out in public somewhere and you can't get your laptop on the internet? Or maybe you just don't want to connect to those open free Wi-Fi access points. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the hotspot on your phone to connect your laptop to the internet. Let's dig in. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is go to the settings on my mobile device. This is on an Android phone. Then I'm going to go to Network and Internet. Then I'm going to tap Hotspot and Tethering. Here I'll go ahead and tap Wi-Fi Hotspot. Then I'll tap Use Wi-Fi Hotspot. Once your Wi-Fi hotspot is turned on, you'll see the hotspot name. You can tap here and customize the name. Further down, you'll see hotspot password. I recommend you tap here and provide a custom password that you'll remember. Also, this will prevent others near you from joining your hotspot. And finally, I recommend turning this on, which will turn off your hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. Also, I recommend that you check with your provider to make sure that Wi-Fi hotspot is included in your plan. Otherwise, you might be spending money for every additional minute used by your hotspot. Now, let's go to the laptop computer. Okay, so now I'm going to go down to the bottom right corner of my laptop screen, over here, the system tray, and I'll click on the Wi-Fi icon located here. Then I'll click on the caret next to the Wi-Fi icon here. This will show me any wireless access points near me, and I want to look for the name of my hotspot. In this case, my phone is called Brian Sensei. So I'll go ahead and click here and connect. Here I'll provide the password that I set up for that hotspot connection and click Next. Checking network requirements and connected. All right, so now I can go ahead and run my browser and freely get on web pages and access anything I need that requires the internet. Now, when you are finished using your hotspot, you'll want to go back to your phone. Okay, so back here on my phone, I'll go back to Settings. I'll go to Network and Internet. I'll go to Hotspot and Tethering. And I'll tap here to turn off the hotspot. All right, and that is how you use your phone hotspot in order to get wireless internet to your laptop. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.